one day that I'll be where I belong. And I don't care if everybody thinks it's wrong. And I know that I will never be what the world's expecting of me. I'm walking down this empty street. There's nothing here but broken beats. Echoed sounds of yesterday, of golden years and glory days. Knocked up here and knocked off round. That's how it tastes still fills my mouth. Say I might, but go I should. This town gave me all it could. But I can see one day that I'll be where I belong. And I don't care if everybody thinks it's wrong. But I know that I will never be what the world's expecting of me. But I can see one day that I'll be where I belong. And I don't care if everybody thinks it's wrong. But I know that I will never be what the world's expecting of me. And I know that I could never be what the world